Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. In our second video on watering techniques, we're focusing on the benefits of using mulch. Let's get started. Applying a layer of mulch around your plants helps retain moisture in the soil by reducing evaporation. This means your plants stay hydrated longer, even on hot days. Organic mulches like straw, wood chips, or leaves also add nutrients back into the soil as they decompose, enriching the soil and promoting healthy plant growth. Here's how to apply mulch effectively. Choose your mulch. Select an organic mulch that suits your garden's needs. Straw, wood chips, and leaves are all great options. Apply evenly. Spread a 2 to 4 inch layer of mulch around the base of your plants, making sure to cover the soil completely, but avoid piling mulch directly against plant stems. Replenish as needed. Check your mulch periodically and replenish it as needed to maintain the desired depth. Using mulch is an easy and effective way to retain moisture and enrich your soil. Stay tuned for more watering tips in our series. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening, say. Happy.